In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include multiple dimensions on the color shelf in Tableau. This powerful feature allows you to add layers of information to your visualizations, making your data stories more compelling and insightful. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to open the Tableau public app. This free tool is perfect for anyone looking to share their data visualizations with others. Next, access your worksheet where you'll be working today. With this preparation, you're ready to begin the creation process. Once your worksheet is open, let's start by dragging profit to the columns area. This step sets up the horizontal axis of your visualization, giving you the basis for comparison across different data sets. Next, drag quantity to the rows section. This action will structure the vertical axis, complementing your growing graph. With your axis established, it's time to add more detail. Drag customer name to the detail section of your worksheet. By doing this, you add an additional layer of granularity, allowing viewers of your graph to delve into specific customer data easily. Now, visually you want your data points to stand out, so let's change the mark type to circle. This ensures each piece of data is represented clearly and can be quickly comprehended. For this tutorial, we're focusing on data specific to California. So, drag State to the Filters pane and select California. Filtering down to this specific region will allow you to focus on insights particular to that state. Then, it's time to enhance your visualization even further by dragging a dimension, say segment, into the color shelf. This will color code your data points, providing immediate visual recognition of patterns or trends. After coloring, to refine your data view, return to your filters, click on the State filter, and choose Add to Context. This step ensures your filter settings prioritize California data in the context of all other settings, improving the focus and precision of your visualizations. Next, to enrich your visualization with even more depth, drag another dimension, let's consider category, into the detail section, and then change this new dimension to be represented in the color shelf as well. This step lets you display multiple dimensions using color coding, offering a richer, multi-layered perspective on your data. And just like that, you now have multiple dimensions included on the color shelf, highlighting the complexity and interrelations within your dataset at a glance. With these layered colors, your visualization isn't just informative, it's a vibrant, dynamic display of information. So, there you have it. You've successfully infused multiple dimensions into your Tableau dashboard using the color shelf, elevating the way you can present and interpret data. Thanks for watching, and happy data visualizing.